first spot. I just kind of stopped here on the way to the, what I was planning on being my first spot, but this looked pretty good. Oh, hung up already. But that's why it looks good. Lots of trees and limbs and stuff in the water right here. That's a decent fish. Whew, finally caught a decent fish. He kind of ate it too. Should be okay though. Oh, jeez. Alright. Oops. There's fish one. Oops. Alright, guys. Fish one. Took me a little while to find one. But I got it. Alright, let's see if we can find another. Oh, thought I had. Hey, I don't always set the hook on a rock, but when I do. Oh, there's a fish on there too, man. He's just hung up around something. This is going to be fun. I'm just going to try to keep a little. Okay, so I did set the hook on a fish. He then got in a rock or something. Give him some slack. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of rocks down there. Come on. He swam down under these rocks. Oh man, this is a disaster. I don't feel him anymore. I'm gonna have to get out of the boat. There's no way he's still on there. Okay, so loose my bell. I'm gonna have to get out. This is bizarre. Like, oh, there he is. Oh, is all that trouble for this right here, guys? That's stinking sunfish, green sunfish. Oh wow. Oh man, that's hilarious. When I set the hook, I thought I had a monster on, but he just got wedged down in the rock. Probably just ruined this little spot. Here, go back to your rock. Alright. Finally made it down here to the other end of the lake here. There's some grass and stuff on around, but this looked pretty good, so I thought I'd try it for a second. Alright. Not a big one, but it's a fish. Come right off that point in the grass. Maybe they're going to start biting. It's a good one. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Come out here for these right here. Not a bad fish, about a 3-pounder. On the old brush hog. Alright. See you later, buddy. I'm going to catch your friends. Tell your friends I have delicious brush hogs. I have plenty of them. Plenty to go around. Alright. Alright, well, I think I'm going to call it a day, guys. Not too bad. Caught a few fish. I know it's right now, it's getting prime time. But there's a night tournament evidently tonight. There's a lot of bass boats shooting all over the place, so I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to go home, have a shower, eat some supper, and drink some sweet tea. Appreciate you guys watching. Be sure you like and subscribe, and appreciate it. Take it easy.